Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here. I have a really nice handheld vacuum. These are great for using inside of your car, to clean your vehicles, or to use in smaller spaces inside of your house that you can't use with your regular or reach with your regular vacuum. So let's go ahead and check out everything that we have with this little guy. First of all, he has its own little carrying pouch. You can keep it in. It's nice if you're gonna leave it like in your car or in your garage to keep it in there. And then here is the vacuum itself. Pretty big area to collect dirt and stuff off from the ground or in your car. And then so you've got your buttons to release it here. Here's a little filter. You can take that out and dump it out into the trash. And then we have cords to charge, as well as some different heads to put on there to reach into smaller areas. Like that one can get into small spaces. This one can clean like blinds and vents and stuff. And then this is your cord, connects to a USB. And a few more, you do have a user manual in there. You have another filter. This is another filter here. We got that. Got a little brush you can use to clean it. And the last one looks like some different vacuum heads as well. We've got a bigger brush vacuum head here. And they literally just go right into place there. So once you turn it on, you can use that.